Hey crafters, are you looking to try some new techniques out? Perhaps you want to learn how to create your own albums from scratch, or you want to try out the new Slimline card craze. Well, I'm Shari Filamahala here at the Graphic 45 office, and in this video I'm going to show you our Graphic 45 Volume 12 monthly kits, where in these kits we'll be teaching you just how to do those two things. So first up, for our Club G45 kit, we are proud to get to share our special project designer Maria Cole's DIY pocket album, and we're going to teach you how to create that in the video tutorial. So you can see already just from the get-go, there's some gorgeous dimension on the front. We're using some chipboard trees and some of our other embellishments. And this month, you can see we'll be highlighting our Woodland Friends collection with both of these kits. And then using some tags, we're creating a super cute little closure. And then just opening this up, you can see there's all sorts of fun interactive elements just from the get-go. I've got a pocket here on the side, and using some of our ephemera cards, we're creating a little journaling space and a photo mat. And then on our first page here, we've got a fun little flip top element going on, and even have some space underneath for more, for putting in more elements of photos and things like that. And then we've got side loading pages where you can throw in more ephemera cards for journaling and photos. And then some great, easy to create pockets where you can stuff full of keepsakes. So we're just teaching you how to create all sorts of different kinds of styles of pockets that you can reuse over and over again in your paper crafting. And then also showing you some great ways to layer your embellishments and really make the most out of what you get in a Graphic 45 kit or with our products. And then with our leftovers, after you're done creating this DIY album, we're going to show you how to take those leftover artist trading tags that you're going to get and turn them into these super cute bookmarks. These are going to be great for keeping track of where you are in your books, as you do with bookmarks, but also they're great in planners, or you can put them on top of a gift as a little gift tag as well. So for our Club G45 Volume 12 kit, you're going to get our Woodland Friends collection pack. The 12 by 12, you get 16 double-sided sheets along with 2 cardstock sticker sheets. You're also going to be getting a colored project sheet with step-by-step directions on how to create these 2 projects. You'll be getting the chipboard elements for Woodland Friends to add that nice dimension and to your projects. And then you'll be getting the Woodland Friends journaling and ephemera cards. You get 32 different pieces in there. They're double-sided and come in 2 different sizes, 4 by 6 and 3 by 4. And then, of course, you're going to need these Graphic 45 ivory tags. We're going to be giving you the artist trading size. Those are the cute little ones, and you're going to get 12 of those. We'll give you the square ivory tags as well, where you get 9 pieces. And then, of course, just to add even extra more adorableness to this project, those chipboard trees that are laser die cut out for you, and you get 6 of those little fir trees. So that is our club kit. To hop on over to our G45 card club for Volume 12, we are going to be teaching you this month how to create slimline cards using our large ivory tags as the base. And Ropp has created these tags, or these card tags, for us. And if you know Ginger, she always has some really great tricks up her sleeve, including how to use our die cut embellishments to really add some fun dimension to your cards, as well as some little fun interactive elements to surprise and delight the recipients. Along with these cards, we're also going to be giving you some policy envelopes so you can mail these off in these super cute craft policy envelopes. So for this kit, you'll be getting the Woodland Friends 8x8 paper pad. You get 3 of each sheet in there for a total of 24 sheets. So a lot to work with, and you'll even have extras to work on other projects as well. You'll get the project sheet with the full colored photos and step-by-step directions on how to create these cards. You'll get the die cut assortment pieces. There's 48 die cut pieces in here. So these are great where you don't have to take out your die cutting machine or do a whole lot of fussy cutting, because we've already taken out that work for you, making these cards just a cinch. And then you'll get the policy envelopes. So you'll get 6 of those and 6 of those ivory large tags. And then in the video tutorial, you can find in the link below, I'm going to walk you through how to create 3 of these different styles, and then I'll show you using those same templates how you can create the other 3 cards to create a total of 6 cards. So to grab these kits, you can hop on over to our website, G45papers.com. You can subscribe to each of the kits, and you'll get those sent to you directly in the mail. You can subscribe to both of them if you'd like, and the great part about that is that the products all coordinate with each other each month, but they don't overlap. So it's a great thing to, if you would like both, you can subscribe to both. You can subscribe to just one or the other, or you can just pick up which kit that you'd like. The kits do sell out pretty quickly, so I would advise, if you are just going to pick up a kit, to hop on over there sooner than later to pick up that kit. After you've grabbed your supplies, you can go ahead and follow along with all 3 of these tutorials. You'll find links for each of those below. And if you're looking for great tutorials every month, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then hit that notification bell so you get an email each time we upload a new video. So grab your supplies and join us for one of these fun tutorials. And as always, happy paper crafting.